Today I'm going to be showing you how to register for free with the PrimeRx Market. To begin with, we're going to go to primerx.io/market. You will see there's two ways. You can do market login, and that will take you to registration, or you can do join for free today. Today we'll be using that one. You're going to complete the information. And we'll click Start Registration. Once on this page, step 1, what are you registering as? Please select one from the dropdown: pharmacy, medical facility, wholesaler, or manufacturer. Today we will do pharmacy. Please choose the business type that best describes you and your business. Retail pharmacy is what we're going to choose today. Below, you will create information to log into the account. Your username will be your DEA. If you do not have a DEA, please provide your HIN, a password, confirm your password. The email address needs to be the one that is accessible to anyone that is going to be using the platform, so that if a notification is sent to the pharmacy, everyone will be able to access that notification. Include your business trade name, your phone number. How did you hear about PrimeRx Market? Friend or peer? Did you see social media post? PrimeRx Market Pharmacy Management System, maybe? And what do you hope to achieve by using the PrimeRx Market? Do you want to shop hard to find items, save 10,000 plus per month? Or do you just want to use us as your primary source? Would you like one of our representatives to reach out to you and to schedule a demo to show you how to use the PrimeRx Market to maximize your time and savings and to meet those order minimums for suppliers? And then sign your name. I have read and agreed to these terms and conditions. Click that box and hit next. The next screen is going to be confirm email. Once you do that, we will then contact you to help you complete the rest of your registration. If you have any questions, we have a live chat feature on the bottom left screen, or you can reach us at 1-800-805-8705. My name is Christy, and thank you for joining PrimeRx Market.